How to find channels on YouTube TV. I'm going to tell you how to find channels on YouTube TV quickly and easily. Once you're signed in to YouTube TV, head to the Live tab. This shows you a full guide with all your available channels in real time, organized by what's currently playing. You can scroll through the list to browse or use the search bar at the top of the screen. Just type in the channel like ESPN, HBO, or CNN, and it'll show you what's airing now or what's coming up next. You can also go to the library tab if you've added shows or movies from certain channels. That's an indirect way to access your favorites. To make things easier next time, customize your channel lineup. Go to your profile photo, settings, live guide. From there, you can hide channels you don't want and rearrange the order so your favorites appear first.